So, what is no-code? No-code development is a kind of development that enables non-programmers and programmers to create and execute custom software. How so? Because no-code development doesn't require coding. There's so much to our life that's based or built upon coding. The photo that you uploaded on a social media platform. The payment you made to the supermarket by just scanning a code. Or the cab that you booked back home. All of these apps and software, however complex, can be built on a no-code platform like WEM, without needing to write a single line of code. Isn't that great? The idea behind the no-code development is to enable, encourage and empower everyone to develop software, and that the technology should act as a means and not as a barrier. Now, let's dig deeper into the world of no-code and hear from the experts.
Hi, my name is Harsh. Let me tell you about no-code development. No-code development is a new phenomenon which has come to us from the last 8 to 10 years. What it means is you can build cool applications, let it be an enterprise application, a normal application, or a mobile application without coding. The beauty of no-code is that it is very low on costing because you don't require any specific expertise on coding because there's no code. Okay, so it is basically dragging and dropping the icons, giving them nomenclature, and establishing and building a process flow. That is what no-code is. The ideology behind the no-code platform is actually threefold. One is we are actually suffering from very high cost of skilled developers which are needed to build applications, be it the front end, the back end, the database. We require skilled expertise for all of this and also integration. So that was the first reason why no-code came into vogue. The second reason why no-code came into vogue is speed. The critical part of any application development is speed, and this can be literally from 8 times to 10 times the normal speed of hand coding or traditional coding. The third thing why no-code really developed fast is ease of understanding and complete ownership of the individual or that specific department. You do not need any specialized people to actually work on these applications which are developed via no-code. No-code is not about a special industry or a branch in IT. I think this is a paradigm shift where anyone can code. This has given rise to the concept of citizen development, so that if you want to build something, you can build it yourself. It's like literally Lego blocks of building it yourself. It's very easy, palatable to the mindset, easy to do, easy to understand, and more than that, very, very high in speed. Okay, so that is one of the fundamental advantages why no-code actually is so much popular today. Another major reason why no-code came into being is the need to have specialized developers whenever you want to develop an application. So that actually raises the cost of the application. This is where no-code really helps. Even if you don't know coding and you know your business process, whatever process that may be. It could be of a gym, it could be of a doctor, or it can be of an enterprise application. All of this can be done via no-code platforms as long as you know the process. Because no-code specializes in actually following the process and workflows. Hey, if you have any questions or queries on what we discussed today, it will be great if you can leave a message on a note for us or click on our website and we will come back to you on how we can perhaps contribute and help you out. Stay tuned. No-code is the way to go. Thank you.